friends, I'm Nikhil. Today, let's see about Rubik's Cube. There are different types of Rubik's Cube available in the market. I have these set of collections. They are 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, pyramid, square and snake cube. Today, I am going to solve snake cube. First, do you know what is snake cube? Snake cube is the mechanical puzzle which contains 27 or 64 cubelets which are connected by an elastic band which allows them to move freely. The aim of this puzzle is to create a 3x3 cube. Unlike other cubes, snake cube has only two colors. This is a solved snake cube. Now I am going to scramble it. This is the view of a snake cube in a scrambled way. Snake cube gets its name because when scrambled it looks like a snake. Now I am going to solve it. I usually solve snake cube within 7 seconds. Experts solve it within 5 seconds. On the upcoming videos, let's see how to solve pyramid and square. For encouraging us, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.